Hi, 0p here. Right, today my son went shopping for himself and he bought himself a small axe. So I thought, I decided to have a look at it and to see whether it was up to scratch. Well, it seems to be quite harder than normal bits of, I don't know what you call toolbox fillers, you know. It's very sharp and it's very robust. You hear the noise it's making. I'm putting my finger across the coating. The way that's ringing, it feels hard, looks hard, and is hard. So I'm going to give it a little test. It comes with this little Cordura case with like a plastic inner to it. You can see there, goes over the case, clips around the back. It's got it's got a couple of handy little wrenches punched into the side. Some kind of, I don't know, it might even be a bottle opener, that, or a cleat of some kind there. I will say this: you can see the handle, the shape of it. That is very, very, well, to be quite honest, that is painful. And when you start chonking at this, I got a funny feeling that is going to hurt. So I'm going to give it a go, and I'm going to try a couple of smacks with this. For notching and doing kind of those things out. Yeah, not bad. Just cleaning wood up. A little bit of chippings off there. It's quite sharp. It's not, I'm just giving it a little, just letting the weight fall. It's not very heavy. That's a little bit of a drawback. General cutting use, and I'm going to try something, obviously. See how sharp it is? It's quite sharp. It's like a knife. And it's all the way along the blade. So, I hope you saw that. But, there you go. There you go. So, for something that cost £7, it's got a lot of potential, and it's right for making wood chips for your oboe stove. It's functional, it works, and I do believe that I'm going to have to do a little bit of work on this, because that marks your hand. It hurts. It's too pronounced. It definitely needs taking down and re-whipping with something a little bit better than that. So the next time you see this handle is not going to look like this. and we'll try it again. I think it might help it to take a little bit of the weight out of the back of the handle and transfer it to the front a little bit more. We'll see if I can improve the swing weight of it. Hopefully I can. Anyway, see you, pens. Thanks for watching. Well, here's the handle, and you can see that is too prominent. Actually, that is horrible. So, one of my pencils, mark it out and get rid of that, and I'll be back. Well, here it is, and I've done a mod on it to make it more friendly to the hand. Hey, it really is nice to the hand now. It's got a better swing weight. You can feel it following through. Put a lanyard on it. This is what's called a weave whip. So you lose your ends in a weave and you tuck them through it. You need a hole, which I had there, and that's what I've done to it. So we're going to give it a little test in a second. See how she goes. So I'm going to give it a little chopping test. See, I'm going to use the lanyard because it's obviously it's there, so it's better to use it. And look. In there quite deeply, so okay for like, little light work as well, just making a few chips up the stove or something. Hardly going to chop down trees with it, but it's yep, and it's still sharp, very sharp. Quite in there quite well. So we'll do some carving with it. There you are. And this is not soft wood. Believe me. So there's the slightly altered, more comfortable mini axe camp tool. It's quite nice. There's no marks on the blade as such, and that's pretty hard work. That's only resin on there. There's no scratches, and that is hard and that is sharp. So very pleased with that. For the money you pay for it, can't go wrong really. Not bad at all. I thought I wouldn't like it, but yeah, for doing little work and stuff, yeah, not too bad. Back in its sheath, ready to go. I do like the idea of the lanyard though, because this could fly at your hand, but yeah, it's nice and comfortable now. Nice and comfortable. See how it paints.